Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, completely restored 1969 Mach 1 Super Cobra jet. Got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about him. How are we doing today, Frank?
Good, how you doing?
Man, what a pretty car.
Thank you.
Favorite color, Acapulco Blue. So tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's a 1969 Mustang Mach code. It was fully restored by me. I had some people, North Point from Westbury, Collision, renowned on Long Island. They did all the paintwork and the assembling. And Tony Carey from Ford High Performance Exchange, he's also on Long Island. And he's also renowned for working only on FE Fords, big block Fords. And he restored and redid the whole motor and drivetrain.
Wow, yeah, he's very well known.
Yeah, very well known. And that's basically it. I mean, the interior is still original. It wasn't redone.
Okay.
Believed to be accurately 31,000 miles. I'm the third owner of the car.
Okay.
And I have receipts, a ton of receipts, all money spent to redo the car.
Yeah, you can check out the receipts and the Marti report and everything on our main website. It's webeautos.com. This is one of the finest examples I've ever seen. It's killer, Frank. Still red oxide primer underneath. Absolutely gorgeous. Super straight body, very correct all the way around. Let's check out under the hood, Frank. Blam.
We added air conditioning to the car, and that's basically the only thing that was added that didn't come from the factory. Other than that, it has no power steering, it's basically
Power brakes.
Power brakes, yes.
Very correct under here, guys. All the correct clamps and markings and everything, as you can see. And it's just the right bolts. Just gorgeous. Interior's original. Amazing condition. $30,888 miles. Auxiliary in has been added to the stereo. Clock works. Absolutely awesome. Got lots of documentation in the Marti report right online. You can check that out on our website. Frank, you want to fire it up? Man, you barely touched the key. tilt-away wheel, which is pretty cool. There's Frank forever waxing it. Get the wide oval back here with the correct jack and everything. Gorgeous. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.